Hi. So I'm probably completely screwing this up. Um, Hi. I know you've talked about feeling overwhelmed with switching content areas and wanting support in differentiating instruction and with fact fluency skills. So there's this great tech tool I want to introduce you to that I think will be really helpful in these areas. It's called Plickers. One nice thing about it is that students are tech free. They just have to turn their Plickers card in the correct direction to give their answer. This tool will give you immediate feedback, and you can even create friendly class competition with it. So I think you'll love how you can check for understanding really quickly. You'll be able to use data immediately to see which students need support and which students are ready for their next step. So the first place I recommend going is the Getting Started guide. There is a lot of really useful information on this page, and it really delineates every step you need to take. Note that you will need to download the app onto your phone, and I have it right here, okay, or a tablet. The other thing that you'll need to do is get cards. You can print them for free or buy on Amazon. I printed them for free. You can get the Plickers cards right here, and I just printed them at a normal size, not a large size, and you can print up to 63 of them. So that's really great. And then you'll have to sign up on plickers.com. I'm going to show you my homepage. So this is my homepage, and notice all the helpful links down here. They really show you exactly what to do. You can go back to the Getting Started guide. You can get the Plickers cards and contact support and all that good stuff. You only have to upload your students once. Notice that I uploaded a few demonstration classes. You would click on New Class, name your class. So let's pretend that you're going to name it like 4th grade math, create it, and then you would add students. Now, when you add students, it automatically assigns them to their Plickers card. So for example, I have a demonstration class right here. These are my daughter's stuffed animals. So here's Snowflake, and she got assigned the card number 1, and you can see the 1 in the upper corner, and it's in the corner of every side. So students always know, like, hey, I'm number 1, and this is the card number that I need to pick up in my class. You might organize them in a folder somewhere. You can also laminate them. So when you do that, you'll be able to start making content really easily. You can click on New Set right here. But I already created a set. And I'm just going to click on Recent to show the set that I created. It's called Math Demo. And here, and let me just show you how this would work. Okay, what you would do is, and you can shuffle the choices. Like you can see the correct answer is A. I can shuffle the choices so that it moves them around. Okay, so if I'm going to start this, note that you'll want to have your application ready and it ready on your computer. Okay, so what I'm going to do to play it, this is new to me, so I am working on it. I'm going to go to Play Now. When I go to Play Now, I can choose my class. Now I'm going to choose the demonstration class because that's the class that Midnight and Snowflake are enrolled in. Notice that they need to turn their Plickers card to, like, let's pretend Snowflake thinks the answer is A. She would put A up top. And let's pretend that Midnight thinks the answer is D. She would turn her card until D is showing up on the top. Then what I'm going to do is open my app. I'm going to click the demonstration class. Okay. And I just start by clicking the circle, and I'm going to scan and see it shows midnight and there's a green, which means that she got the right answer. And here it shows snowflake with a red, and it shows that she did not get the right answer. So I click the button to end, and I immediately get my student responses here. It gives me immediate feedback on what their responses were. Then I can go to my next question just by tapping the forward arrow. Oh, yeah, not that. Excuse me. This is why. Okay. And now we have the next question. So now our students are going to turn their answers, and I'm going to make them, maybe they both get it correct this time. So they turn it up to B, and I'm going to click this, and I can see immediately that it's green for both of them. I stop recording, and I see that they both got the correct answer. Okay. One thing that I want to show you on the next slide is that you can insert an image. So here I inserted an image showing 4 groups of 3 in case I want to then talk to students about the reasoning behind their answer. You can always insert an image. So let me show you, if I'm going to create a new set, you can write a question here. What is 2 times 5? And you can insert an image here. Okay. So what I did is I found this, little image of daisies on the web, and that's what I inserted. So I really think that Plickers could be super helpful for you. I think that it'll really help you with the checking your students' fact fluency skills. And I definitely think this is something we should talk about in our next coaching session. Thanks so much.